What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Creeper in the new Minecraft movie. I kind of like the design of this creeper. I think it's cool that he's like furry. The most annoying, are they the most annoying? Skeletons are pretty annoying mob, but creeper, like if you're building something, he will just come out of nowhere and destroy everything. So let's draw this landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I'm going to start with the features of the face. So we'll start with the eyes. Basically, boxes for eyes, and they give him like hair and stuff, so it's just kind of cool. So we'll put the head up here and we'll go for the full body. Square eyes, but kind of furry if you want them to be kind of furry, but we can do them smooth if you want either. So kind of like round, maybe a little bit hairy. I'm going to make him hairy. I'll be accurate to the movie. So like a little sketchy sort of hairy lines, like. Okay. Do the other one. Obviously these are black inside, but we'll just draw everything first. We'll do the other one. We do a little green glow like he's about to explode as well when I'm coloring later. Okay. And then we have that sort of blocky mouth. So it's like just down, it's like in line with the inside of the eyes here. Then it goes around here. And then it goes down. Around the bottom. Okay. Now if you want, sometimes, you know, you can have like, because it's like 3D modeling, you can have like this extra little sort of edge line around the sides of it. You know, if you want to make it look like a little bit more like there's a hole sort of in there, you know, you just do this little edge line and it makes the edge of his eye look round as well. You know, just this little sort of, it's just a little trick to make stuff appear like it's three-dimensional. And then in there be black. But we'll get the rest of the head in first. So he actually has like, it looks like he has hair on top of his head. Kind of reminds me of Frankenstein or something. So say like, so we'll just do little bumpy kind of hair spikes coming across, and it kind of gets hairier coming down here. You might have some like little textures just in the corners here, like it's like he has a fringe. So just little sort of spikes and textures there as well. He's like dots in his head and like moss and stuff, but I'll do all that sort of together, but like little circles clustered like that. And it's kind of like on his body as well. But we'll go down the head. So we'll start like just a furry box. And it's kind of furry down here as well. And we just join those together, adding a hair or two as we go. Maybe like make this wider a bit up here. More hair sticking out. And we go underneath his chin. Very fluffy and furry. So you can do like lots of hair, little textures, little circles and dots and stuff. all on his face. As much of that as you want to do. You don't have to do too much. That's kind of good. All right, we'll do his body. So again, long, sketchy sort of furry body. One of his legs is up and one is down. So, say like this one is kind of down here. So he's got like elephant feet. So this is like he's walking towards us, right? So this leg is kind of up. And again, it's furry and textured. And then sort of the, say the inside of it. There. And then the foot sort of comes around the bottom. That's the general shape. I'll do the toes all at the same time, right? The other one. There. And then this comes down that way. And we just go across here for the flat foot. And there's a line that kind of like joins these just that way. And then we can see a back foot, square foot down here. And then I think we can see a toe, one toe for the back foot behind that one. And that's your shape basically for his body, right? And we're going to sort of texture it up and add details like the face. So this foot is up, so we can see the sort of round bottom part of his foot, right? And then there's like toenails in here, 3 of them, 3 on each foot basically. And sort of this one's turned on its side here. And they kind of go underneath, right? So they're kind of like a little 3D sort of toenail. You can see like underneath them a little bit. And here. Kind of bumpy sort of toes here. Again, there's like lots of fur and these little circles and stuff. And kind of like cracks and stuff on his toes. Do the toes on this side. 2, 3. And there's a bit of like a skin bump around each one. Kind of lines on the nails. Do the same over here. And bumps around the toes here. And some fur. And some textures. So I'll just add that kind of, these little texture lines kind of all over his body now. Just these little clusters of dots and tiny little spikes. And like there's lots of these little circles on his belly. Okay, you can do more. You can texture them up as much as you want. You could always keep going with textures, and you could go all day with that kind of stuff. But I think that's enough for me. Color them green, this black, Maybe you could do like a glow if you wanted him to look like he was like about to explode. So you do like white with maybe some green coming around it or something, getting gradually darker. I might do that. We shall see. Looking forward to the movie. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.